Today we're installing a cabin filter on a Volkswagen Amarok 2015 model. So the location of the cabin filter is not behind the glove box but underneath the glove box. So what you're going to have to do is to get a T20 Torx. There's one here, I've already taken it off, located right here. Just take that off, unclip the clips, and then your cabin filter is located behind this cover here. So what you're going to have to do is to take this screw off here and this screw off here. They're 5.5 millimeters, and your cabin filter should slide right out. So let me just get through to that. That's one. That's two. The cover comes straight off, and your cabin filter should slide straight out. So this one you can see it's full of leaves inside. So just use two hands to take it out. In this case, this one's very blocked up. As you can see, extremely blocked up with leaves. And here we've got our new one. We'll just undo the packaging and we'll place a new one in there. So now it's as easy as just sliding the new one straight up into its spot. I'm going to need two hands once again to put the cover back on. Notice these two slabs here. These things go inside there to hold it in. Just install your 5.5mm screws. So one here. And the other one here. Like I said, it's a 5.5mm if you cut. This one here. Done. And there your cabin filter install is complete. Thanks for watching guys, hope this helped.